cool, buddy.
It's kind of. It's okay.
Part 2. You're right. So
Yeah.
today we got the parts.
Yeah, that box
We
over
did
there.
a video of the unboxing of the parts.
Yeah.
I can link that above. I don't know how, but we can figure it out. But right.
Link it down below.
What?
Link it down below.
I'll try to if I can figure that out. But
Yeah.
Right now we're going to put oil in it
Who knew?
so we don't forget.
Yeah.
Okay?
But I so long ago.
Let's wait. Oh yeah.
This is the old one. The new one is metal. And after this video, I'm gonna unlock my hands.
Let's wait. It's just gonna keep on getting dirty, okay? Let's do this.
Okay. That's just gonna pull it out of there. I'm gonna stay right here.
Why?
In case it flies out. Oh, this is. Oh no. Why have you have to turn it?
What is that?
This is the
No,
hand.
do not shake it, buddy, please.
Okay. Now he did this before. And I never have. I'm stupid to this stuff.
Yeah, that's stupid.
Kinda.
Because you don't know how to do something, that's really stupid. Which means you haven't learned how to do it. So it says we have oil on it. Alright?
That means
What does that mean?
we have one.
Yeah.
Like
Sorry for the background noise. There's a food truck behind us. But we wanted to get this done, so.
yeah. I bet after this we're gonna put it out. Like
So let's put this gas carburetor on.
I found the ring.
What?
Okay, it's a new one. That's cool. It's cool part.
It's pretty good.
That's this. Like, I don't know what that does.
That is a throttle.
I don't know how they make that one. I do not want to do the wheels inside the new.
What?
If you want to see,
Yeah.
if you want to see me, I'm just trying to eat the motor.
I can say. Yeah, okay. We're not going to get tight to do that. So,
I don't want it to fall off.
we'll tighten it up, I promise.
Fit both light bulbs. Okay, this is the next life of the spark plug.
Sit right here.
I'm gonna put it in, and this honestly looks the same. This,
Let's compare them.
this one's more shiny, and that one's more, and that one's dirty.
Yeah, they're about the same.
And then this,
This is one a little shorter. But we gapped this already to 32 thousandths. Alright, screw this in there, bud.
okay, I just throw that one.
That's fine.
That one's, guys, if you wanted that to be a decoration, and put that in the comments, because I'm gonna keep that. If you do that, done.
Not done yet. No.
I am crazy. My friend Molly is a monkey. She acts like one sometimes.
Alright. put the spark plug wire on, buddy. Make sure you have good contact.
We don't want this to explode either.
Oh yeah, that'd be bad.
This would explode.
So right now I'm going to tighten up the blade just in case, just for a safety measure, since I'm going to have my son around it. Hopefully while it's running.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's pretty tight.
And I'm always close to short things.
That's not always good.
I want my sister to be in the video, like and subscribe.
All right. Sit down there.
I literally usually need experience to get to some places. Yeah, on this. We do not like old. We don't talk about old things.
We're going to put the air filter on.
Yeah, the new one.
Oh, never mind. I got to put the springs on. 1 second.
My dad is kind of a electrical boy.
All right.
Please, no.
2 plus 2 is what?
Oh.
We're going to put this new oil filter on, but before we do that, we're going to soak it in oil.
Yeah, and I always need you to stay back.
It's not going to hurt you.
I never get close to oil. Oh, it's oil? Oil's...
Your oil's clear. Nope. That's a mess. That's probably good enough.
I am not getting close to that side.
Alright.
I'm gonna catch it. Do not trust.
Other way.
Do not trust me babysitting your kids.
And you're 6, so. There.
I bet they would. I bet they would trust me babysitting their kids.
You think so?
Yeah. If you let me babysit your kids, then I would just be programmed to be somehow.
Huh?
I'm gonna watch if there's any spin.
Come here.
Why?
Just roll down. Come here.
Why?
Where's the farmer ball? See how it's going up? Can you hear that? Push it. Alright. No?
It's getting too much.
Alright.
Okay, do not.
There.
Now it's just.
Now move on the other side, buddy.
What?
Yes.
I bet this is gonna be spinning forever.
Yeah, I got it. Let's see this is. Let's let it sit for a little bit and we'll check the oil.
Yeah. That's it. Fly off. At least the blade didn't fly off. The blade fell off. Fell off with you. Yeah, you go.
Come here, buddy. Stay out of the road. Oil's still good.
Okay. Now we're gonna move with it.
Dustin. I'll just tell him. Yeah, I'm gonna call him.